I want to answer your question very quickly. The question was, what exactly do I love? My husband, my husband here is a great man, humble, hardworking, very knowledgeable, and he's a great husband because there's a lot of examples that he can show for that. He's also an amazing father to his beautiful three children, not only to the three children, the children that he's very humble, and in the rest of my life with him. And I'm honored here, and I'm grateful for his. The next question is about my father. Unfortunately, he passed away last year. May Allah continue his mercy upon him. May Allah continue his mercy. We missed him dearly. But while he was alive, he was a man of virtue. He instilled in everyone to be honest, loyal, humble, and we all grew in Islam. As a result, even while I was in the US, practicing Islam, easily because I was already used to Islam growing up. And it's the only thing that my father taught me, and it's the most important thing. May Allah continue to bless him. Thank you.